Hi guys! In this video, we are going to talk about how to see who you follow on Threads. Now let's get right into it. Now the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to open our Threads app. So we're just going to log in into our account. So at the bottom right corner of our interface, you can see the profile icon there. So you're just going to open that or click that, and this is your profile. And at the upper left corner of our interface, you can see the world icon. You're just going to click on that, and we are just going to go down and click profiles you follow. As you can see, there are three tabs here. You have their followers, following, and pending. So we're just going to click on following. So this is where you can see the people that you follow on Threads. So that's it. That's how you can see who you follow on Threads. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to write them below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!